If you've been following my channel for any amount of time, you should know that in the last couple months, I am actually working on building a micro SaaS called Magnetify. Magnetify is built to help you create AI-powered lead magnets to get more email subscribers and organically grow your business. So today I'm just here to give you guys a quick update on how everything's going with the software and about beta launching and everything else. So I haven't posted any updates in about a month for Magnetify simply because my developer is on the back end coding while I'm doing things like setting up email lists and things of that nature, the things that I can do. So what has happened now in our last meeting, we meet every 2 weeks. So we had a meeting last weekend. We are actually so close to beta launching this software that I've actually started creating the private Slack channel for beta testers. So I'm super excited that we have finally come this close because since I've started, there's been nothing but delays. I was expecting this maybe around the holidays, but I know that was probably pushing it because I was thinking I'd go no code, and then it moved back to January, and then we had whatever. But now, as of recording this, it is March 10th. So within the next 3 weeks, I should be opening up the doors for beta testers. Super excited. So if you have not gotten on the wait list to become a beta tester, go ahead and head to magnetify.ai. And if the wait list is still open, go ahead and register. If for some reason you get to that page and you see the payment plans and everything else, unfortunately, you won't be able to be a beta tester. But right now, as of recording this video, you can still go and become a beta tester. I can't tell you exactly how long everything is going to be open. I cannot give you an exact date for the beta tester launch, but those on the list will get that exact date as we get closer and closer. Like I said, I am building out the Slack channel right now for the beta users. There are a couple of perks you would get as a beta tester. Number one, obviously that private Slack channel where you get to interact with me and other beta testers of the software, and everything is going to be updated within that channel. Number two is a 30-minute implementation call with me personally, so we can go over what type of lead magnet would work best for your business. In addition to that, we will also have a discount for beta testers after that initial launch. I'm not telling you the exact amount, so that's only for those that are on the list, that they will find out how much of a discount they would receive on Magnetify. During the beta tester period, you are going to have 2 weeks free access. And then after that, you can use your discount for a lifetime as long as you are a part of the Magnetify family. Last but not least, so this is version number 1 of Magnetify. Whenever updates come out and whenever new features come out, I am going to go to my original beta tester list and let them test out those new features first. So there are a number of perks of being a beta tester for Magnetify. And I just wanted to just hop in since it's been a minute since I've updated you guys, but it is soon. Like I said, I'm recording this video on March 10th. So everything is coming soon. We are looking at releasing this by the end of this month, okay? So if you've seen me on socials, if you've seen me here on YouTube, YouTube has the Magnetify channel. I also have socials of YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, all of that for Magnetify, right? I'm going to drop those links down below as well. So if you want to go ahead and like and follow those channels, you can for updates. But like I said, go ahead and sign up for the wait list. One more thing, since Magnetify.ai is not a .com, you may actually have your email end up in the spam folder. So if you sign up for the wait list and you don't see an email, make sure to check the spam folder. That's something that's happening with the .ai versus .com. So just go ahead and move it over to your inbox so that way you'll continue to get updates from me. And the Slack invites will be coming soon for that Slack channel if you go ahead and sign up. So I just wanted to hop in here and let you guys know what was going on. I'll see you guys. Hopefully I can see some of you guys within Slack and interact with you guys personally. And in the meantime, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share with others. And I'll see you on the next video.